Okay, this video is for the CSI Training Log Chemical Indicators Data Collection Table. The first step is to do tube number 1 with plain water and 3 drops of iodine. So first I'm going to get my water, use my pipette, put some into my first tube, then with the clean dropper, get the iodine. Okay, and now I'm going to put 3 drops of the iodine solution into the water. And we're looking for it to turn a black color. And you can see it's just this yellowish color. So you'd write that down, this orange-yellow color, as well as a negative test result. Next, we're going to test starch solution. Bring that one in here. So I'm going to get some of my starch, put it into my test tube, and get my iodine dropper, 3 drops. And this time it did turn that dark black color, so you'd write black down for your color and positive for the result. Next, we're going to test proteins. I bring my protein solution over, done with the iodine. So now the proteins, let me put some of that in my third test tube. And now I'm going to get some biuret test solution. Again, with a clean test tube. Pull some of that out, and you can see it's this nice pretty blue color, and we're looking for it to turn more of a purple pink color if there is protein. So let me drop 3 drops of that in. And it's kind of hard to tell, but it has turned a light pink purplish color. Not quite the same color it started as. Now it's this pink color. So you can write a purple down or pink down for the color, as well as a positive test result. And then finally, we're going to test lipids. Okay, so to test lipids, we'll need my lipid solution, as well as part of a brown paper bag. So to test for lipids, we're going to put a little bit of the lipid solution onto this brown paper bag. And then we're just going to let it sit for a couple minutes and let it dry. If there's lipids in this solution, it'll become kind of a transparent see-through color. If there wasn't lipids, it'll just dry back to the color that it was. So I'll let this sit for a minute and then show you what it looks like. Okay, now that that's had a minute to soak in, you can see when I pick it up that it has become much more see-through. It's hard to tell when I look at the table, so let me point it at the light. And you can see right through the paper, so that's how you know there is lipid. So you'd write down positive for the test result for that one. As far as the rest of the paper, you should be able to answer the analysis check questions that follow. And that should be all you need for this experiment.